Welcome to your Red Wolf Rewind for February 12th. You just saw Tia King's game-tying basket in the fourth quarter of the Indiana University East women's basketball team's overtime win at WVU Tech on Saturday. Let's see more of the highlights from the Red Wolf win. Your IU East men's basketball team made it 20 wins in a row with its victory at WVU Tech. The Red Wolves have clinched a spot in the national tournament. Seth Reynolds won the 60-meter hurdles and Justin Lowe won the 600-meter run to highlight the day Friday for the IU East men's track and field team at the inaugural River States Conference Indoor Championships. Sarah Hornack and Tricia Spivey made the all-conference team for the IU East women. Looking ahead, your IU East basketball teams are back in action Thursday at home against Carlo. The women's game is at 5:30 p.m. The men's game is at 7:30 p.m. This is the makeup day for the games that were snowed out in January. This has been your Red Wolf Rewind for February 12th. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.